Added one more 100 in the machine. Let's see if we can catch a bonus. 3 more. How beautiful. And we're gonna keep hitting the same bonus till we hit something decent. Give us lots in the middle. Not cool with the dead spins. Alright, now anywhere here or here. Let's do it. Got the minor. All right. That's nice. That's not bad. Got $122. I like it. It's actually pretty entertaining. Good luck. Line. That's nice. Again. us the good stuff. $6 back. 3 more. Lots of teasing. Lots of teasing. Neighbor got it. Alright, let's do some 360. Come on, give us something. Some 120. 240. Alright guys, we'll go get more cash and continue playing this game. The last one. Thank you guys for watching. Alright guys, we are back at Eureka Treasure. Locket Link Price, Riches. Let's do some 360s. That's nice, double money. Let's go to max bet, 480. I feel like line hits on this game are acceptable. You get some decent amount of money back. So it keeps you alive. Look at that, $23 back. Alright, we need to try, we need to see that special bonus with the double dynamite. That would be cool. One more. That double dynamite thingy. I don't know what it's supposed to do. But hopefully we'll figure that out in a bit. Look at that, $50 back. That's beautiful. Max bet. Oh, one more. Almost money back. Do some 360s. About 240. Okay, back to max bet. Do it. Come on, double dynamite. We want to see you. Look at that, $45 back. That's nice. 2 more. Back to 360. Max bet. Ay, ay, ay. Do it. You're teasing me a lot. Couple fast spins. Back to max bet. We do get that a lot, fives. Come on, bonus us. Do it. Give us a good line hit at least. Gigantic line hit. All we're getting is lots of teasing. 5 dynamites all the time. Do it. Just one time. This machine is the ultimate teaser. Okay, that's decent. We've got the aces all across. We've got the carts. 43 bucks. All right. I have a feeling that we should take the 12 free games and see what goes. Let's try it. Let's try it. Just for one time. I know this one is way more fun, but you never know where your money is. All right, let's do it. Also, we can easily get bonus on the bonus here. So if you, we can get re-triggers, or we can get the 6 dynamites. Hopefully, I'm just hoping this is like similar to the old-fashioned Eureka. All right, give us more wilds. There you go, bonus on the bonus. As I said, look at beautiful alignment here. Alright, this is great. Let's fill them up here. know what to do. One more. Oh, if we get this one, guys, we'll get the whole top row. 2 tries, let's do it. You can do it now. Get us in the big bonus. Alright, we got 2 cards. That was quick. $30. It was something big. That's it. All right. We're still in the bonus, so hopefully we're gonna get it again. Look at that. Come on, Wilds, be nice. Almost. All right, this is it. $192. This is actually a very decent bonus. I am pleased with it. All right, let's get that double dynamite now. Do it. Oh, what a blocker. How dare you. Let's do 360. Got the aces, the donkeys. Back to max bet. Do it. Feeling the bonus right now. That was 5. You can do better. Almost. Do it now. Maybe 360. Let's do quick spins. Guys, we got it. All right, let's do it. What do you think, right or left? Let's do the left. We just did the right one, so all together. Come on, all together. All right. If we get one here and one here, we'll be happy campers. Fantastic, fantastic. Here, 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 here. Save us, save us. decent. 154. It's about 40-45 times our bet, so that's decent. Back to back. Max bet. Do it. Let's do 240. Yay. Let's do max bet. Yeah, I wish we can change this. I usually do not like the games that are maxed out at $5 because that means it's super rare to get something big on it. It's not like you can't, it's tough to get, you know, big jackpots on it. Because you're betting, you know, $2 and two more. Some quick spins. One more. Come on, Eureka, do something. Or maybe we'll go down to 360 or 240 for a few spins. Let's do 360. Let's do 240. Lots of teasing. Two more. Give us that double golden dynamite. Let's see how it works. Oh, that's a good line hit. Yes! Wow, 3 in the middle.
Eureka!
If we get one here, it'll be the biggest train we've had so far. Already the minor is available. The minor is $50, so nothing fancy. Major is decent, it's $1,000. Alright, collect them dynamites. One here or one here. You can do it. One here would be really nice. Nothing bigger than that. Alright, 20 bucks. Alright. That's a good line. 22 cards, we've got 188. That's pretty decent. Oh, almost back to back. Oh, we got it with a double. Finally. We don't know what that is. Let's see how it works. Oh, double reel. Look at that. Holy moly. I did not know this existed. All right, let's collect them. Look at that down here, huge. All right, let's do it, guys. Let's do it. We need one more here. You can do it. Oh, look at that. All right, one more here or here. And one in the middle would be sweet. Final try, let's do it. All right, the top reel is not really fancy. All right. Now let's touch. Oh, the major is available. Major is $1,000. Let's do it. Something better, come on. It's all like 80 cents, $1.50. Come on, where's that major? Where's that major? I think we're done. Double reel, $222. That's actually very decent. Do some backup spins. One more. Ay, ay, ay. Do some $30 bet. Sorry, $3, two more. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this session.